Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Asteria here again. This is my second time, yes, with Asteria here. You know, same packaging like in the previous video. So let's jump right into it. Oh, by the way, I got my nails done. Go ahead, check out this video. It's now live. It's something simple, you know, but I feel like my shaping is getting better, especially with me having to do my right hand because I'm right-handed. So definitely, you know, practice makes perfect. I'm getting there. It's not 100%. I know. So yeah, but that's not what the video is about. So go check out my nail video now. All right, so first thing I see when I open a box here, but before I go into that, let's see what else is there. Oh my gosh, this pair of lash looks really nice. I'm talking about lash. I'm about to go get myself some fusion tomorrow. A little pamper day, a little pamper goodness. But I'm going to apply this for, well, I feel like I love to save the good lashes, them, you know. I don't know. I save them. I have so much lashes in my little collection from all these packages and stuff. But yeah, so I have that, and I have wig cap. I have an extra bag here in the box. Wait, is that a bag or is it a head tie thingy? Let's make sure what this is. Oh, it's like a large ribbon. That's nice. So it's like a large head wrap thing. Well, it's a large ribbon. You can use this as a head wrap, you know, anything that you choose to. And I got this drawstring bag. So this and this goes hand in hand. I'm going to put that over there. Yes, I got the business card on the inside here with their social media and everything, how to care for the hair, stuff like that. I got an extra elastic band, and that's all that's in the box today. So I'm kind of excited for this wig, you know why? Because I've been getting a lot of requests to apply a wig like this, and this today, my friend, is a closure wig. It's not a frontal wig. This is how much? Hold on. It's 22 inches long. Some information is down here. 6x6 closure parting. It's 180% in density, and it's a medium cap size, and it's some curly. Yo, to the amount of curly hair I have, I feel like I should have done a curly hair series. And like, I don't know, that's just how I feel, because I have another curly wig, man. I'm such a sucker for curly wig. Wow. So, oh, a lot of space do come on the edges of it. Well, I guess because it's a closure wig. So you see, the construction is a little different with this. So definitely going to be a center parting today. This is how this looks. I'm definitely going to pluck. The front is a bit, you know, dense. So I'm going to go in and pluck it a little, but as I said, it's going to be a center. I'm going to wear it as a center part, obviously, because it's a center part closure wig. It's 22 inches long. It feels really nice and silky and soft. I love this. If you notice, I combed out this portion because I did go in and pluck a little bit at the closure portion. Okay, so as I said before, this is a medium cap size. All I do is pull it back at the ears portion there. So I think I'm not going to cut anything. Let me see if I can wrap out without having to cut anything off. I wish the extra lace portion was a little longer, but I guess that's how it is for like closure wigs. Could definitely just make this a glueless wig because it's feeling so secure, and I haven't even like applied any adhesive to it, you know.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control, just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective, just in time you came, and I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so
elastic band to just get it really flat in the front. As you can see, because it's a closure, obviously, you know, the sides won't go down, the laying process won't go down to the sides. So it's completely glueless, and as I say, you could go ahead and wrap this completely glueless if you want, because you're only really exposing the middle. But I'm going to finesse it so I can still push it back behind my ears. I'm gonna go ahead and create a center part now because it didn't come, it's a free part. So I'm going to go ahead, create my parting and kind of flat it down with my hot comb. Even in the times when I used to wear closure wigs, I never ever needed this flat. Of course, I've grown in terms of, you know, knowing how to apply wigs and stuff, but like, you know, usually when you have closure wig, you're so in part you're bumpy and lumpy and you have to finesse it. It's looking so good. I can even see a little bit of lace that's there. And I just made baby hairs because in the center part, so you could comb it down anyways, right there. And I completely camouflaged the sides. Like, you could do it like this, give it a cute little, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little glammed, and I'm gonna come right back. Have it all pulled back as if it's a frontal, but it's not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and further with this up. I got it down for a bit, but need some more salt. Okay, then I'm all done with installing this closure wig. Guys, I did a quick outfit change because I be so comfortable. I'm home now, and I was wearing the legit same red shirt I had on in the last hair installation video. I literally did it back to back. Like, I did that last night, I did this tonight, but I had on the same shirt. Hey, it's my clothes, please don't judge me, don't judge me. But yeah, I did a quick shirt change. So this is the hair. It is so nice, it's so full, it's so luscious, it's very pretty. Like, you can't go around with curly hair with anything. What is it all? You can't go around with it. It's like there's a like definite line in between straight and curly. You have some people that love straight hair, and you'll never really catch them wearing curly hair like that. And you have some people that love curly hair, you never really catch them wearing straight hair like that. So, you know, it's like, for me personally, I feel like I lean towards curly because, as I said, I feel like it's closer to my natural texture and it just looks more realistic on me. Not saying that the straight doesn't look realistic either. It looks like I have a fresh relaxer when I wear straight hair, when it's all well done and well snatched. But it's so much more maintenance for me, and I'm very like, I'm tired of this though. I'm so easy to be like that. But I know that through sweat, through heat, the curly can definitely withstand that. When it comes down to straight hair, I can't get it wet. You can't do this, you can't do that. It'll get trashy. You're gonna have to straighten it over. It's just a lot of time, you know. Curly hair can be a bit of high maintenance sometimes based on like the tangling and stuff. But all you need to do is ensure you're detangling it at least once every day when you have it on. Like, it's not that serious. Like, it's really not that serious to me. It's like the norm. But go straighten the ear every minute, especially when the ear long. And honestly, sometimes I have my moments and all I want to wear is straight hair. So it's just 50-50 for me, but I really love my curly hair. So like, I feel so, I'm not like, so far so good with Asteria wigs. I don't know if you guys knew, but like recently I had like a wig, I sold out a lot of my wigs that I had lying around I was doing nothing with and that I only wore once or tried on for videos once. So I buck up on the Asteria one that I had the other day, and let me tell you, I did not even budge to sell that one. I still have that one. That one is a straight hair, by the way, and I crimped it. I don't know if you guys remember that one. It was like 28 inches long. Yeah, it's some inches. That's some inches for sure. But like, I love that. The quality of the wig, it just not saying that the rest of them are nice, but I'm just, I don't know if I length or what, but I held on to that one. And the lace, oh lord. As I said, look at this. This looks really good, really realistic. But the hair around the long though. What? But yeah, the hair is nice bad, and it's my first time trying a closure, pre-made closure wig, as I said before. You know, it's definitely easier to install. Definitely easier. I'm not even wrong. Definitely easier. As I said, this is one of them. Like, I feel like it's easier to have this like as a non-adhesive wig. Like, you don't have to use any adhesive, no glue. You can just slap on and go. Maybe I need to come back with another video to demonstrate that for you guys. I'm thinking about it, I really do, because that is just really convenient. The only reason why I'm not to enforce it because like, want me freeze a blow, you know? I say that and I saw like off a tree, or for all my people that I know, a lot of people in the US watch me. Say you're there somewhere like Times Square. You just there's somewhere where lots of people and the breeze just start blow hard. And I just blow off your head. You know, to make a lot of road. Where they carry them a drive. And I carry them just a drive away a wig. And you know, they probably have to go on a week cap. I don't know if me could have managed that. No, seriously. So I've never really ever really, like, honestly, yeah, I'm a gym with them, right? Like when I go to the gym, I wear hats. So I have a very, like, I have a certain level of security on my head, okay? And I if the wig won't drop off, my ears them thick and nice and juicy under that. So I don't know, but yeah. So like, I'm just scared to go out just with a wig just on like this, knowing that it doesn't have any adhesive. But I'm still gonna do it for my people who want to embrace that, you know? Because listen, that's what we do over here, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and link this wig down below in my description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out, purchase it if you're interested, and all the specs as well. Yeah, I told you guys it's 22 inches long. And don't forget to check out my nails, my new nails video. It's very simple, but I feel like I did better with the shaping this time around. It's really long, really that's how I felt. I did not want to do short nails. You guys know I really do short nails, but I didn't want to do it any shorter. So that's that. And thank you guys for watching so much. If this video was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I do upload every single week, at least 3 times a week, at least. Okay, at least. So just go ahead and subscribe. And that's between my ultimate goal is to upload 5 times a week with both channels, both this and my vlog channel. So I try to do 2 times over there on my vlog channel and 3 times over here. So at least I'm going to say 3 times, because sometimes things don't work out. Well, you don't know the thing already, life happens, but at least 3 times. The girl is very consistent, don't complain it over here. So work off and do, you understand? Yeah. So there's that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and